think we're live again. I think we are. I do believe we are. So I will be 5 minutes. We'll be starting in 5 minutes. So what we want to do, if you've got, no, let me just tag some people. Marina. And see if, I don't think some people, maybe Cheryl. Oh, it's not tagging. The tagging isn't working. There we go. I don't know who else. Maybe Becca. Let's see. Right, I'm just tagging some people that might want to join in with today. Okay, so I'm going to share. So I've got 4 minutes left. I'm going to share. I knew what else I wanted to put there. Oh, when I've lost it now. No, I haven't. There it is. I'm going to put the. I'm just getting ready. Just getting ready. We'll be with you in just very, very soon. I don't know why I don't know if it'll work this time. To find the right place to put things. Oh, right, that one's live there. Cool. And then we're going to put this here. Ooh, have I got this right? It goes there. And now I'm going to go back here and pick this up. Oh no, just only need that one. I need that one. That's fine. It's all good. That's all I need. And now share. I've got 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left to share. So we've got. So I've put a link on in the comments if you want to play with other age groups. So if you've got any older boys and girls in your home, then there are other games that they can play. So hold on, male brain, hold on. There we go, share to a page. I get there eventually. But sometimes I get it wrong, and that's okay. Some people get things wrong a lot. Some people, numbers for early years, number play for early years. What we're doing today, number play for early years. And that's there. Now, one last thing, let's see if I can get it to work this time. And that is to do a watch party. And I did a watch party earlier and it didn't work. So, oh well, let's see if we can do it. Number play for early years and start. Fingers crossed. So far, so good. Yeah, because it came up with that last time and then it just stopped playing. Oh well, c'est la vie. Right. So now I've got that there. And now I've got to refresh that one. 1 minute, less than 1 minute to go. Oh my goodness, we're starting any second now. Play that one. Got to play it to see the comments. And then we're going to, there's the watch party. Watch party's there. No one's there yet. And that one's refreshing. That one's playing. That's in the group. That's us in the group. And that's on the page. So that's the Bubbly Maths Facebook page it's playing on, and then that's the watch party. Okay. So it's all good, and it is now 10 o'clock and we are live. Hooray. Welcome to the Monday morning numbers game. Basically, we're just going to play a numbers game. It's similar to what we did on Saturday morning, if you were here, but if you weren't here, then it's brand new to you, which is grand. So what we're going to do is we want you to make 10 cards. If you haven't already played this with me before, make 10 cards, and they all have a number on one side, and on the other side, if you're using a bit of cardboard, that's best. And on the other side, you've got the number of dots that matches the number on the other side. And that's going to make, oh look, there's no dots on that one. Oh my goodness. So if you can work with your grown-up and make yourself a few cards, nice and quickly, just a bit of paper, cut it up into 10 pieces, write 10 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and then put the same amount of dots on the back. So I'm going to just put that on here, make sure I can see what I'm doing. There we go. So we will have there 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, or 9, whichever one you want to do it. And then we have, I'm going to make little boxes for the dots. So none for 0, 1 for 1, 2 for 2. How many for 3? Guess what? 3 for 3. Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4 for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for 6. 1, 2, whoopsie, put that right that's a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for 9. So we can count the dots. So if you make that up as quickly as you can, whenever you come and play maths toys, maths games on the Making Maths Fun for Kids of All Ages group, we will always have something we need to make up. Now, if you can take this away and make up some nice cards later, because I've got these, look, I found a white box I got from, it wasn't from Amazon, it's with my Heavenly Chocolate. And I got, whoopsie, I got this nice bit of card, and I've got them set up, and that's it. I've made them once, I don't need to keep making them. I just put a line under there, and to make that absolutely clear, a line under there. And right, I'm just going to start playing the game, and you can play along with me while, if you've got someone older with you to help to make the cards, and we can just start playing the game. So we've got 2 or 3 games we're going to play. Are you ready? We're going to play a couple of games, and the first game is, I'm going to get my hat, and I'm going to put all the pieces in my hat, and then I'm going to pick out a number. Ooh, number 7. Right, now what we're going to do is we're going to get another piece of paper, and we're going to draw a line. And now we're not going to write anything. Whoa, come on. Oh my goodness. This is a challenge in of itself, just getting this to be the right way up. There, now further down and across. Ha ha, I've done it. So now we've got a line that goes from here to there. Oh, we can't see that. Which one can't you see? That one there. So we'll start the line there. And this is 0. There. And this one is 10. So what I want you to do, you'll draw the line, and I want you to decide where on that line 7 goes. So if let's just count the dots, make sure we've got the size of 7. 1, the magnitude of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots. So where on that line would you put 7? So you put 7 on that line. And now we're going to take out another. I'm going to pick out another number. I'm not looking. Oh, okay. Wonder what number that is. What number do you think that is? Let's turn it away. Turn it round. Let's see what number it is. And it's number 8. Yay. Okay, so where on that line would you put number 8? Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, is that bigger or smaller than 7? Let's find out. So now we're going to do it again. Get another number out. And it's, oh, that one's easy. Number 1. How many dots are on the back of number 1? 1 dot. So where on that line is that going to go? Do one more. One more. Let's get number 4. How many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we've got where, now that you've put them all on, you can put some lines on. Let's see, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's a bit too big. So we'll move the 10 down to here. There we go. So did you put them in the right place on the number line? Doesn't matter what the right place and the wrong place is, because we're learning. We're all learning, and it's a matter of you keep playing that game, then you'll be positioning them in the right place. And then if you're working on the next ones up, if you're going up to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, which they've got the numbers 1, 1, and 1, 2, and 1, 3, and 1, 4, and 1, 5, and 1, 6, and 1, 7, and 1, 8, and 1, 9, and 2. Oh, you can make the number line longer, and you can make 20 cards to put in your hat, and then you can put them in the right place on an even longer number line. Number line. So start off with this one, and then work on to a longer number line. 1 to 10 position, 1 to 20 position. Okay, now the next game is a target game. It's going to be a target game. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a picture of that before I delete it, so we know what we've done. There we go. Take a picture. Boing. And we're going to have another look, and we're going to boing, boing. Okay, that should be all right there. And we're going to, well, I suppose we don't have to delete it, so we can see it down there. So now we're going to take another number out. Oh, first of all, we're going to decide on a target number. Let me see, target number. Well, let's pull out a target number. Let's pull it out of the hat. Target number. Ooh, what was that one? Do you remember what that one was? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woo, target number 7. And so we're going to write that. That's our target. So we're going to put that in the middle. It's like we're playing a bow. We're playing a bow with a bow and arrow. We want to target number 7. So now we're going to put number 7 away. Well, no, actually, why not? We can put it back in the hat. So that's one of our numbers. Let's see how many cards it's going to take to get us to, ooh, number 8. Okay, let's see. So with number 8, what do we have to do? Is 7 worth less than 8 or more than 8? What do we have to do? What number do we have to? Do we have to add a number to 8 or take one away from number 8? You can have a look at the dots. That's number 7 and that's number 8. Which one has more dots and how many more? You might just know this. You just know it, then just say it. So we need to. So if we just count them, that's not. We're just doing this for the littlies, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's number 7. Number 8 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has one more. So now we have to add 1. So let's pull a number out of the hat and see. Oh, add 0. So if we add 7 and we add 0, then what number do we still have? We have no dots. We haven't added any dots, so we still have number 7. So that's our first one we pulled out of the hat. That didn't have any effect. Now we're going to pull another number out of the hat, and we've got a number 2. Well, we can either add 2 dots onto number 7, so it'd be 7, 8, 9, or we could take 2 dots off number 7. So it's we started with number 8. So what do we have to do to number 8? We started with number 8 there. So we can add 2, that would be 8, 9, 10, or take away 2, that would be 8, 7, 6. If we went backwards, 8, 7, 8, 7, 6. Well, which would be closer to 7, 6 or 10? So we've got a choice between going from 8 and adding 2, which takes us to 10 dots, or we take 2 dots away, which will take us to 2 away, which will take us to 6 dots. Well, which number is closer to 7? Is 6 closer to 7? 6 add 1 is 7, and 10 is getting quite a long way away. 7, if we've got them here, 7, 8, 9, 10. So which one's closer, 6 or 10? So I'm going to just redo that on the number line rather than with these things. Do that on the number line. So we started with 8, and we've got to get to 7. Now we've got 2, we've pulled out a 2, so that takes us either up to 10 or from 8, take 2 away down to 7. So which brings us closer? That's our target. Which brings us closer? Well, we are no closer because we're still only 1 away, but 6 is closer to 7 than 10. Yes, okay. Now, oh my goodness, you know what we need though? We know what we need, don't you? We know what number we need. We have to keep going until we find a number. I pulled out number 4. Oh my goodness. Now, if I can keep going until we get, I can go from, we're on 6. I'm going to move these away a bit. We're on 6. We're going to keep going until we can get to number 7. That's our target. That's our target. So we're on 6. So if we have 4 more dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, that takes us to 10. And if we take 4 away, 1, 2, 3, 4, that takes us to 2. Oh my goodness, that's a long way away. Which is closer, 10 or 2? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we just basically just keep going like this until you get to the number that you want to get to. Or you can decide, well, actually 8 or 6 is close enough, and you can stop and say, right, yeah, that's close enough. Okay, that's another game that you can play. And then another game that you can play is, right, so that's, I'm just going to take a picture of that. Right, let me just take a picture of that so that okay, I've got my picture. I'm going to rub this out. I'm going to leave, I think I'll leave a number line on there. Okay, now we're not targeting 7 anymore. That's gone away. We're not doing that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to find out what happens if we have 2 numbers. So we're going to take 2 numbers. We've got a 6. And we've got how many dots? We've got a 6, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. And then we've got a 2. So that's 2 there. We've got 1, 2 dots. So if we put those 2 together, how many dots do we have in all? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots. And what is that number? Okay, now you can do this from, so it's just finding the dots and finding the numbers. And then the other game is pulling a number out and seeing if we can get a number that's closest, and see who can get the number that's closest to the number that you want to get to. So you can just add the dots and take and find the number, or you can pull out again as we did before, but only pull out 2 numbers. So we want to get a pull one out again. Oh my goodness, what is it with this number 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we want to get, again, our target is number 7, and then let 2 people take 2 numbers. So I've got, oh, what is going on? Number 8 again. So now we have number 8, and then you pull one other number out of the hat. Oh, number 5. Okay, so you've got 2 numbers. You've got 8 and 5, and then the person you're playing with pulls 2 numbers out of the hat. They've got 1 and 3. Oh my goodness. So who is going to get closer to number 7? Or you can just both play with both of those and see which one of those can get you closer to number 7. So you can start at 8 and go backwards by 5 and see where that takes you. Or you can start, and this one you can start at 3 and go backwards by 1, or start at 3 and go forwards by 1. You can start at 8 and go forwards by 5. Keep going along that way and see who can get, which of these numbers can get you closest to number 7. So those are the different games we can play, and that's the target games that we're playing today. And or you can find out who can get the biggest number. The biggest number that doesn't go over 10. It mustn't go over 10. So if you go over 10, it explodes, and you have to start again. You have to choose different numbers. Or if you can find a way of staying under number 10, then you can get the biggest number from those 2 without going over number 10. So you can add, if you start with number 8 and you add 5, 1, 2, 3, it goes way too high up. If you start at number 8 and you go backwards by 5, then you get a 3, and in this one, I think that one still wins, even if it's not closest to 7, 3 and 1. So which of those 2? It doesn't have to be a competition. You don't have to compete with somebody. You can simply say which of these 2, you pull those 4 numbers out of a hat and say which of these 2 will get you the highest number without going over number 10, and how do you do it? So those are the games. Those are our games for today. And you can play any or all of those games with your bits of numbers. And I'm going to be playing these games in a few minutes with my grandson, and I'm looking forward to it. Okay, so if you've got a grown-up with you or an older person with you, if you do like the activities that we're doing, tell them to tell other people about it. They can share the group, copy the link to the group, and tell other people about it. Do that now as well. I think not everyone knows how to do that. So here's the link to the group. I'll put it on here, and that's the link to the group. Right, so I've put the link to the group on the comment here. Hello, Claire, how are you? And let me see. Oh, I'll get there. I will get there. Where am I going? I'm going here. That's where I'm going. See who's come on. Okay, so we've had Lucy. Hello, Lucy. Rod. Hello, Roz. Hi, Monica. And Brian, James, Eddie, and Russell. Eddie Ferrero, it's good, lovely to see you. And anybody on here? Don't see anybody, that never showed up. So okay. So I will see you same time tomorrow, 10 o'clock London time, and tell your other friends. I do it every day of the week, and on Sunday I do a bit of a show. So it's more, oh yes, should we do that? Oh, I know, let's do what we did yesterday. Let's do what we did yesterday. That was fun, actually. No, so we're gonna pick a number out of the hat. So you can pick a number out of the hat, and you can do this at home. And pick a number out of the hat, what number is it gonna be? Oh, when I wanted a big number, I only got a little number. 1, 2, 3. This is another one. I like this game. I like this game a lot, but you'll see why now. I like this game. I like this game. Are you ready? Now, if you don't have balloons at home, that's all right. You can use a ball. You can throw a ball up in the air. You can throw something light up in the air. But it's called 3, 2, 1 blast off. Okay? It's called 3, 2, 1 blast off. And what you do is you pick a number out of a hat and you count up that amount and then down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now, if you don't have long balloons like I do, it doesn't matter. You can just blow up, get grown up to blow up just a normal round balloon that you should be able to get a hold of. And if you can't get a hold of a round balloon, then just find something that you won't break anything else. It can throw in the air and you can do a blast off. You ready? So we've counted up by 3. Now we're going to count down. 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Wait a minute. Yeah, I remember what we did yesterday was we moved the camera so you could see over that end of the room. Okay, and let me see, I've got to see what you can see. Aha, that was it. And then I pointed it up, I remember now. I pointed it up to there. Let's pick another number out of the hat. Let me see. Oh, number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready? Let's pump up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count down. 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Aim it into that corner. Blast off. Okay, and the next one. A bit higher into the corner there, see if I can get it to go up there. I'm going to pick a 9. I'm just going to go for 9. Yeah, 9. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops, I did 10 by mistake. Oh, 11, 12, 13. Never mind. We'll count down by 9. I couldn't help myself. I couldn't stop until I got the balloon filled. Ready? So we're going to count down by 9. Here we go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Let's see. Wow, right in the corner. There we go. Oh, it went the other way. Okay, one more time. If I can find it. There we go. Oh. I've lost it. We'll have to get another balloon. It's hidden somewhere. It's gone and hidden somewhere. Oh, got a pink one. Ready? Oh, let's just go for 10. Ready? Well, no, let's pick one out of the hat. That's the blast off. Oh, we've got 6 again. There we go. Now we're going to pump up 10. We're going to pump up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my goodness. I'm going to count down 6. Ready? It's more fun if it's all inflated all the way. And if you've got a round balloon, just have you grown up, inflate it all the way, and then just keep counting down with the numbers that you pick out of the hat. Ready? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Let's see if it'll go in the corner there. Please go in the corner there. Blast off. Well, that didn't do a very good job of going in the corner, did it? And that was just, oh no, I found it. I can see that one. I can see that one. Let's see if we can do one more So we'll go in the corner so you can see it going, because I love it when it splurges around the room. Okay, let's see. Ready, 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 ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh my goodness, please go in the corner of the room. Pick a number. Oh, number 7. I'm going to count to 7. Ready? Count down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please go in the corner so we can see it. Please go in the corner. That would do. Okay, thanks for that. I'll see you tomorrow. And let me just see if there's anybody else said anything before I say goodbye, 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 goodbye. And Joanna, hi, Russell, hello. Nice to see you. Okay, right. Anybody else said anything? Can't see anything else. Perfect. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you and bye.